Hey everyone, tired of working for someone else? In this video, I'll show you 10 amazing mini machines you can buy on Amazon to start your own small business right from home. These are low-cost, space-saving versions of big machines that can make you money fast. Let's get started. 1. Portable Laser Engraver. This machine uses precision laser technology to engrave on wood, metal, leather, and more. It's ideal for making personalized gifts, nameplates, or custom keychains. Lightweight and portable, you can take it to craft fairs or set it up on your desk. Personalized product sales make up over 40% of top-selling items on platforms like Etsy. Start by offering engraving services for weddings, birthdays, and small businesses. You can even create your own product line with engraved quotes or logos. 2. Mini 3D Printer. A 3D printer in your home? Yes, and it's smaller and more affordable than you think. These machines can print custom objects like toys, phone stands, jewelry, or spare parts. The global 3D printing market is expected to reach $60 billion by 2030. Start a business by selling niche products like anime figurines or gamer accessories. You can use free platforms like Tinkercad to design your prints or download files from Thingiverse. 3. Compact Coffee Roasting Machine. This is for coffee lovers who want to take things to the next level. A compact coffee roaster lets you create custom blends and start your own micro-roasting brand. Perfect for small batches and artisan coffee lovers. The global coffee industry is over $500 billion, with massive demand for specialty blends. Offer locally branded blends like American Sunrise or Night Owl Dark Roast. Pair them with cool packaging and a strong social media presence. Number 4. Mini Soap Making Kit. Make luxurious handmade soaps at home with a simple kit. You can add colors, essential oils, and unique shapes to your soaps. This business is perfect for gifting, skincare brands, or wellness-themed products. The handmade soap industry is growing at 5.8% annually. Create soap gift sets like Lavender Spa Box or Herbal Detox Kit. Sell online, at markets, or gift shops. Number 5. Button Maker Machine. Turn pop culture, slogans, and custom art into wearable badges and buttons. This machine is fast, easy to use, and fun. It's ideal for schools, events, fan merch, and more. Button pins are still popular and used in marketing campaigns, political rallies, and pop-up stores. Bundle your designs into collections and sell them in sets. Great for Comic-Cons, school events, and Etsy stores. Number 6. Mini Donut or Waffle Maker for events. These compact food machines are a sweet hit at parties and events. You can make dozens of donuts or waffles with creative toppings in a few minutes. The global snack and street food industry is worth over $120 billion. Launch a mobile food stall or event catering service. Promote on Instagram with mouth-watering reels of your dessert creations. Number 7. Mini Candle Making Kit. Candle making is more than a craft. It's a booming small business opportunity. Use wax, scents, molds, and wicks to create unique, fragrant candles. The scented candle market is expected to reach $6.4 billion globally. Package candles and themes, like work stress relief or romantic nights. Sell through Instagram, U.S. craft fairs, or local boutique stores. Number 8. Mini T-Shirt Heat Press Machine. This little powerhouse is perfect for starting a t-shirt printing business. It uses heat and pressure to transfer designs onto fabric. Whether you're creating branded apparel, couple t-shirts, or custom bags, the possibilities are endless. The machine is small enough to fit on a desk, but powerful enough to handle bulk orders. The global custom t-shirt market is projected to hit $10 billion by 2025. It's one of the most searched categories on Etsy and Shopify. Use Canva or Midjourney to design eye-catching graphics and start by targeting local U.S. schools, events, or influencers who want merch. Number 9. Mini Leather Cutting and Embossing Machine. Want to create luxury leather items without an expensive workshop? This mini machine allows you to cut and emboss leather for wallets, keychains, bookmarks, and more. The leather goods market is booming, set to surpass $720 billion by 2030. Focus on high-quality, handmade leather gifts. Personalized with initials or logos for weddings, corporate gifts, or fashion accessories. Number 10. Mini Food Dehydrator Machine. This kitchen-friendly machine removes moisture from fruits, veggies, and meats to create long-lasting snacks. Think dried mango, banana chips, or jerky. The dehydrated food market is projected to hit $150 billion by 2027. Brand your snacks for health-conscious consumers. Package them with clean labeling and offer samples to gyms or cafes. Number 11. Mini Packaging Machine. If you're selling product from home, packaging matters. These small sealing and labeling machines help you professionally package soaps, snacks, crafts, and more. Products with good packaging sell up to 30% more than plain-wrapped ones. Use clear branding and custom labels. Offer packaging services to other home-based sellers too. Each of these machines can help you start a real business from your home, garage, or even a small shop. Pick the one that fits your passion and local demand, and focus on branding and quality. Which machine would you start with? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business machine ideas you can buy and use today.